Getting your treats ready for Easter? Eddie Printer is the answer. Not only on Easter, Eddie is perfect for all occasions. Plus, it's the world's only edible ink desktop printer. With Eddie, you can directly print onto treats like sugar cookies, biscuits, marshmallows, and many more. But don't worry, your treats won't change in taste. It will only look better than ever. Eddie print on treats with its carousel plate that allows a continuous and smooth workflow. And if you're worried about bacteria buildup, Eddie has an enclosed print head and ink compartment in one cartridge, thus giving no chance of bacteria to develop. Printing with Eddie is also very cost-effective. What are you waiting for? Purchase your own Eddie printer and level up your baking biz. To know more about full digital label printing and finishing solutions, visit our website at www.labelgraph.com.